Everybody goes to Costa Rica for this.
I'm going 5 days straight in the clinic. And so the first day I did a plasma exchange. So they took out 2 liters of dirty plasma and put in fresh plasma. Right there, I just felt like a weight was lifted off my shoulders. You just have an IV in one arm and the other, and it circulates all your blood through this machine, and they pump out the negative stuff. Your blood can transport nutrients much more efficiently. Your blood's like your oil system of an engine, right? So like if you have the cleanest, it's like when a car gets an oil change, it's running at its highest efficiency. It's the same concept.